Winter's here, and your brakes are about to face their toughest challenge. When temperatures drop, your car faces a whole new set of problems, especially your brakes. Most people worry about dead batteries or losing traction, but if your brakes fail, you're just a missile on ice. That's why understanding winter brake issues is so important. Today, I'll show you the most common winter brake problems, how to spot them, and what you can do to stay safe. We'll break down what happens to your brakes when the temperature drops, what those strange noises mean, and how to keep your family safe. From frozen calipers to slippery rotors, winter can turn minor brake issues into major safety hazards. I'll also share tips for preventing problems before they start, so you can drive with confidence all season long. Whether you're a seasoned driver or new to winter roads, this guide will help you stay safe and avoid costly repairs. Let's dive in and make sure your brakes are ready for whatever winter throws your way. Winter means longer stopping distances. Snow, ice, and slush make roads unpredictable, and stopping can take twice or even 3 times as long as on dry pavement. Even with good brakes, your tires lose grip on cold, slick roads, so it's vital to plan ahead and avoid sudden moves. Slow down and increase your following distance. The speed limit is for perfect conditions, not winter. Give yourself extra space to react to hazards like stopped cars or black ice. Double or triple your normal gap behind the car ahead. This buffer helps you stop safely and avoid chain reaction crashes. Don't let tailgaters rush you. If someone's too close, let them pass when it's safe. Test your brakes gently in a safe spot to feel the grip. Stay alert and drive cautiously. Smart choices keep everyone safer in winter. Ever tried to drive off on a freezing morning, only to find your car won't budge? You hit the gas but the wheels stay put. It's a common winter headache for many drivers. The culprit? Frozen brakes. After a wet, icy night, moisture can freeze your brake components solid, making it tough or impossible to get moving. Moisture sneaks in, then freezes, causing brake pads to stick or parking brake tables to lock up. Your car stays stuck until things thaw out. To avoid this, skip the parking brake overnight in freezing wet weather. Just leave your car in park or in gear. If your brakes are already frozen, don't force it. Let your car idle and warm up or gently rock it to break the ice. Patience is key. Winter can bring out all sorts of strange brake noises. On cold mornings, a high-pitched squeal when you first drive off is usually just a bit of rust or cold metal. If it goes away after a few stops, it's nothing to worry about, just your brakes warming up. But if you hear a loud, persistent squeal that sticks around, your brake pads might be wearing thin. Most pads have a wear indicator that squeals to warn you. Don't ignore it. Waiting can lead to bigger problems. If you hear a harsh, grinding sound, that's a red alert. It means your pads are gone and metal is scraping your rotors, which can cause serious damage. Don't wait. Get your brakes checked right away. Your ears are your best warning system, so pay attention and stay safe this winter. Road salt and moisture mean rusty rotors are a winter fact of life. Light surface rust is normal and will scrape off after a few stops, but heavy pitted rust that doesn't go away can ruin your braking and even cause dangerous vibrations. If rust sticks around, get your rotors checked. Sometimes they can be resurfaced, but often they'll need replacing. Don't ignore deep rust, it's a direct threat to your stopping power. Stay vigilant and keep your brakes in top shape. Longer stops, frozen parts, weird noises, and rust. These are winter's brake battles. Adjust your driving, listen for warning signs, and get your brakes checked before trouble hits. A little maintenance now can save you from a big headache later. Take care of your brakes, and they'll take care of you. Stay safe, and see you next time for more car care tips.